Hey, Kevin. So go to grades, go to the final version of annotated bibliography line. You'll find this green tile with the 18%. You click on that, and that's my dog squeaking her toy. Um, Everything that's flagged has been turned into, well, has either been turned into Canvas before, or has been published on the web. And so you see how there's like two by some of the lines and one by some of the lines. Are two sources that have been found to match what you've turned in. And to see those sources, you click so loud. Click here, and then click the 18 again. And it looks like one of the sources, if I click here, is Nikolai's summaries. I'm not really sure how that happened, but one, like these lines here, are from Nikolai's summary, or matched to Nikolai's summary, and so is this line here. But the other lines, number 2 is HBR. What's that? I don't really know what it is, but sometimes looking at these is not that instructive. There's more. Oh yeah, this is the actual article itself. You just, so basically what you have to do is you have to fix this, and you have to put these lines all into your own words. That's what you need to do, and resubmit by tomorrow. Hopefully you can do that by tomorrow night. Just let me know. Just kind of get back to me and confirm that you can get that done.